Hey lovelies, it's Tracy. I don't talk a lot about lightweight moisturizers because my skin is predominantly normal to dry, but I do like something lightweight for daytime, and gel creams have always been a favorite of mine, particularly Korean brands. But I have an American brand that you can find at Sephora that is ideal for, I would say, everywhere between dry to oily, combination, normal, because I've been wearing this baby during the day and it's winter here in the desert and it works beautifully. This is Skinfix. This is their skin barrier restoring gel cream. Like their other cream that I already reviewed, this comes with a pump top which dispenses a small amount of product. This is definitely a lightweight, really, really juicy, hydrating cream that absorbs lightning fast. This is really nice under long wearing foundation. I have a YSL that's a 12-hour wear, and with this on, my skin didn't feel dry, and that's pretty shocking for wearing something this light under something so dry. But I have found that for the last week, this is the only cream that I've reached for during the day. I love that it's refillable. I love that I could get it at Sephora. And I love that I can recommend something to you that will work for just about everybody that I know. So if you check it out, let me know what you think.